There I was, walking down the cleaning aisle at the store, feeling overwhelmed. So many options, all of them plastic and most filled with just nasty ingredients. I asked myself, where was the healthy cleaning option? You know, the one that could be gentle on my skin, easy on my wallet, while good for the planet? Well, since I couldn't find it, I decided to make it. Hi, I'm Angie of Tangie, and I'm not going to bore you with stats today. You already know that we have a problem with cleaning products. Too many chemicals and too much plastic waste. This has both us and the environment surviving but not thriving. But what can we do about it? How can we make positive changes without breaking the bank or sucking up all of our time? These were the questions I asked myself over 10 years ago, and it's what inspired me to start Tangie. You see, at Tangie, our mission is about doing more with less. Tangie products save you money now, eliminate your plastic bottle waste, reduce your chemical exposure, ultimately costing us all much less in the long run. For example, why should you buy dozens of hand wash dispensers every year when you can refill them? Our hand wash concentrate, you can refill those bottles for only $1.25 per refill. Or why lug those heavy plastic jugs from the store when you can dissolve one of our laundry concentrate bars, make 1 gallon of liquid laundry at home, giving you over 128 loads of detergent. Now that's less than 20 cents per load. What we do for your wallet is really good, but what we do for the planet is great. Every time you buy a Tangie product, you save another bottle from ending up in a landfill. This is because everything we do is geared towards reducing plastic waste. We also use plant-based ingredients so that no bunnies are harmed in the making of any Tangie soap. And I'm stoked to say we are Leaping Bunny certified. All our products are handmade, vegan, plastic-free, and ethically sourced. But here's the best part. We've made them easily accessible so that it doesn't cost the world. We have everything you'll need to meet your personal and household cleaning needs. So enjoy shopping on our website today. And if you're shopping around and realize you need something that we don't have, feel free to drop us a line and let us know. That product might already be in the works. Join our newsletter to be notified first about the new products, promotions, and eco-living tips that I like to share. Thank you for stopping by today, and together, we really can make our planet a better place, one waste-free product at a time.